Welcome to tagDiv tutorials. Today we shall explore how to install the mobile theme and AMP, create mobile pages or templates, and install a pre-built website with newspaper theme. After you first install newspaper theme and activate it on your website, you get the option to import one of the dozens of pre-built website designs, crafted carefully for you. Once you import the pre-built website, you can watch as the layout stretches and, conversely, shrinks to fit the device it is displayed on. You can always choose a different website design at any point. Just go to your admin dashboard, newspaper theme, pre-built websites, and choose to install one with design only. As you can see, no matter what device this website is displayed on, it fits the screen perfectly. That is the power of the newspaper theme. Let's move on to the mobile theme and AMP plugins, coded to make your website's design on mobiles to be fast and simple. Go to your admin dashboard, newspaper theme, plugins. Here you can find the mobile theme and AMP plugin. Proceed with installing both of them. When you're done, you need to activate them. Just go to your plugins, install plugins to activate them. Once you're done, travel to newspaper theme, theme panel, then to the mobile theme tab. From here you can select to use only mobile theme, only AMP, or mobile theme and AMP. Choose to use both. Now let's test to see if the AMP functionality works. All you need to do to test that is to go to your website and type in the URL bar /?AMP. If the page loads perfectly, you're good to go. Keep in mind that the mobile theme adjusts the aspect of your website. It also makes it so you can't use a tagDiv composer to adjust the layout. If you want pages to load faster on mobile devices and tablets, but retain their customizability through the tagDiv composer, you can create mobile templates and pages. To do that, you first need to uninstall mobile theme and AMP. Go to your admin dashboard. Now deactivate the plugins and delete them. Great! Now let's explore how to create a mobile template or page. Open your home page and look at the top of your admin bar. You should see a mobile page button. Right next to it is a plus icon and an import icon. The import icon lets you import a mobile page straight from the cloud library. The plus button creates a new mobile page. Click it. In the window that appears, give the mobile page a name to find it in your templates list easier. Right below this, you can see a checkbox with the words Copy Content. If you want to create the page from scratch using the tagDiv composer elements, you don't have to enable it. But for the purpose of this tutorial, let's check it to copy the page's content for desktop into the mobile page. Now hit the Create button. Click on the new mobile page at the top of your admin bar and hover over it. You should see a new icon appear in the form of a pencil. Hit it to bring up the tagDiv composer and begin editing the page's content. The first thing you should do now is to click on the Manager button from the tagDiv composer to bring up the footer and header menu options. Click on the global template and choose the current header from the list that appears. Now click on Convert Template to transform it into a mobile header. Give it a name and click on the Copy Content box. To apply it globally for the rest of your website on mobile pages and templates, just click on the global box. Let's repeat these steps for your footer. Great! Now, before we move on, let's save our current settings. The next step to adjusting the mobile page across devices is to click on the tablet device in the tagDiv composer. Now, on the first row of the page, then go to the Layout tab. Click on the Columns option to enable splitting the row into columns on the tablet device. Go to the mobile viewport now. Choose the row split icon in the Layout tab. Save, and do this for the rest of the rows on the page. Amazing! Your mobile page is now ready to be explored by all of your viewers. How does this work for mobile templates? The same steps apply. However, you need to go to the Templates bar to create, delete, and add a mobile template. Let's open up an article. Click on the name of the currently applied single post template. Right next to the global column, you have a mobile column. Hit the plus icon to create a new mobile template and repeat the previous steps, just as you did with the mobile page. Now you can do this for category, for page, date, tag, and author templates to get unique and fast mobile templates. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any further questions, please write to us via our forum or use the email provided in the description box.